In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a family member to Find My iPhone 2025. It's a handy feature that allows family members to use location sharing, making it easier to locate each other's devices. It's perfect for ensuring everyone's safety and keeping track of where your loved ones are. So let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to grab your iPhone and open up the Settings app. It's the gear icon that's typically easy to spot on your home screen. Once you've got settings open, you'll want to tap on your Apple ID at the very top of the page. This section is where all your account information and settings are stored. From there, you'll see an option labeled Family Sharing. Go ahead and tap on it. This feature allows you to share your Apple services with other members of your family group seamlessly and effortlessly. Once you're inside Family Sharing, look for the Add Member option and give it a tap. You'll then want to select Invite People. This is the part where you actually send out the invitation to the person you want to add to your Find My network. Now, when it comes to sending that invite, you've got a few different methods at your disposal. You can send it through messages, or if you prefer, you can use other communication options available on your iPhone. Choose the one that works best for you and your family member. After you've sent the invitation, the next step is to wait for them to accept it. Once they do, you'll need to go back into the family sharing settings. Tap on their name to open up their options and make sure to enable location sharing. This is crucial because without it you won't be able to see their location or have access to their Find My iPhone services. It's important to communicate with them to ensure all settings are correctly adjusted. One last thing to ensure everything's working smoothly, ask them to double check that they have Find My iPhone enabled on their own device. This can be done by going into their settings just like you did on your own device and making sure the Find My toggle is turned on. This step is essential for accurate location tracking and ensuring the device owner can be found if needed, and that's all there is to it. Adding family members to Find My iPhone not only aids in tracking lost devices but also adds an extra layer of safety and security for you and your family. I hope this guide has been helpful and you feel more confident navigating through the family sharing settings. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe and stay connected.